Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. We have overlapping level and also we have this trend line. Let's see if we can take a trade on this one. I will just draw this rectangle real quick. So let's see if we can use this as a supply area. I will go with 200 on this one because I'm pretty sure, and the bar is also exhausted, so they want a reason for sellers to enter. Exactly close in that area. How beautiful is this trade? Also, this area, it can be some sort of, strong resistance area. The market's actually moving like this, so the priority is just going up. So this is a retracement for me, and maybe it's going to have a red candle, and then it's going to touch this area, this supply area, and then it's going to decide to drop or break that. Let's see what will happen. For now, we're just focusing on this trade. It has a little bit of gap down. Let's enter one more trade right here. Yeah, this gap down kind of worried me. I'm worried about this gap, to be honest, but I'm expecting a nice drop. That's why I entered one more trade. It's kind of playing with me, man. Come on, bro. It's gonna reject. Yeah, at least one of them should be winning trade. And this gap up, like basically when you have gaps, you either don't take the trade or lower your risk, okay? Since the setup is super strong, if the setup is super strong, you can just add on the rejection point. For example, for this one, first, second, and this is going to be the third rejection, and this is the common rejection point. You could add one more trade right here just in case. And this gap down right here, since the bars are still in the market because of this gap down, they're going to push the price to the upside. But imagine if we had this gap up, it would 100% drop immediately, okay? So yeah, make sure you consider gaps and everything when you're trying to take a trade. So as you can see, this was just a simple retracement. Market trying to go up to this point, this area, okay? And since we have a supply area exactly right here, it's probably is going to touch that supply, and then it's going to decide to break or react from the supply. Let's see. I will draw the supply area. The supply area is basically an ABC area. This is ABC to the downside, so it's going to create a supply for me. This is the supply area lined up with the trend line. So the very nice entry would be exactly right here as a rejection entry. Let's see what will happen. If I go to the lower time frame, I should see a nice supply. Yes, inside of this we have another supply. Let me just draw this, and then I will go for the next trades. Yeah. If we even go smaller, we can have another one. Like this is another supply. So this is the safest one. All right. Let's see. Maybe we can take a trade in one of these. So I will add these all. Yeah. All right. Here, I don't know. I'm not sure about this. It might be the decision point for breaking this area and creating this QM for me. I have to see. No, we have gap down. I don't like gap down, so I will not take a trade on that one. Oh my god, look at these rejections. Let me see if it's going to give me an entry. Okay, I'll go with 50. I kind of see that the market is trying to go up, but I don't know where it's reacting from. It's reacting from somewhere here. I don't know where it is, but I feel like it should go up for the supply area. Like just like the previous time. Look at the previous time. This is a supply area, and it really has gone for the supply right here. But this time it's kind of playing around. So I go with 50. Just a small risk. So I see that the market's trying to go up, right? So let's just change this to 200 because I want to take a sell on this area. Yeah, it's reacting from this. Yeah, it's reacting from this right here, but it's not a big deal for me. Yeah, it's dropping. So yeah, it seems that the market's not trying to go up at this point. It's reacting from that setup. No problem. Oh my god, this was a very nice trade. This was very nice trade because of this gap up. All right, look at this. Sometimes we have smaller setups at the lower time frame. Look, it's trying to go up, but it's trying to just make sure everybody's exhausted, and then it's gonna go up. We'll wait for you, buddy. Yeah, you see that? See this QM right here, and then boom, it's reacting from this area. I'd probably go with the buyers after this candle. We will see. Oh, let me just... Yeah. Exactly from this area. I will take a trade right here with 200. I should have taken exactly right at this point. If it comes down, I will add to this 200 for sure, 100%, because we have a very nice setup. Just like here, you see how beautiful it touched the setup. Just come down. Yeah, 7 seconds left. It's also in the direction of the trend, guys. It's also in the direction of the trend. You see that? Just go to the 1 minute. The trend is going up, right? Even though we have this QM right here and also reacted from the QM because of this movement of the market, it's still uptrend. Also, the minor trend is uptrend. And inside of this engulf, we have a demand area. It touched exactly the demand area and it's going up. And I took advantage of that. So if you look at the market at multi-time frame analysis, you're gonna see all the detail. Okay, for example, here we have a QM, all right? Let me just draw this real quick. Should be very fast with the multi-time frame analysis, but it's gonna be easy with the, what's it called? Practice, okay? So this is my QM level. And if I draw the fresh supply, it's going to be up here. It's going to be the fresh supply. But I don't know when the market's trying to reach to that point, but we can take a trade at this rejection point. We're going to have some rejection from this area, but my entry should be somewhere here. Let's see if it's going to give me. I will put this right here. Oh my God, I was about to take this trade, man. I missed that. All right, we have a rejection point. This is a very nice base. If I draw the common rejection point, it's going to be this point. So if I want to take a trade, I have to wait for this point. Also, we have to have other reasons too. For example, here, the candle is trying to go up because of this pattern and the retracement. It's going up. So taking this trade is kind of risky, but taking this trade would be very nice because we already have this pattern and we're looking for retracement. And so the preference here is going with the sellers, but we have this as a marginal safety point and we can take, oh my God, let's take this. Oh, I think it's going to close on the next candle, man. Holy. Yeah, so here the common rejection point is exactly right here. My entry is a little late, I would say, because I was messing around when it was coming up anyways, but good trade on this one would be entering right here. And since it was the very last seconds of the candle, it's trying to close on the next candle. But yeah, so when you have a very nice base, this is called base. And also the base is associated with a lot of rejections like that. You can count on the common rejection points. Don't draw your rejection point like this because it might just not reach to that level. Draw the very common points. And what do I mean by common point? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 7th time. So it's more likely to react to the 7th time as well because they have rejected a couple of times before. So that was a rejection trade. Oh, it's still not coming up. Let me see. Oh, we have, the same chart. All right. Yeah, I just wanted to also mention that the next batch of the mentorship is about to open a couple days later, only for those who were waiting for the open of the mentorship. So please check the details. It's gonna appear on the screen right now. And if you're okay with the details and price and everything, you can just text me. There's an ID in the description. That's it for today, everybody. I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me. And thank you for always supporting me, and peace out.